So welcome to episode 8, the What's Next class, Survivorship edition. This is Dr. Dave Bullis. I'm your host for the final episode of the Survivorship edition. It's really looking at just the professional supports here available at the Cancer Center and also in the community. One of our main players here is our nurse navigators, who you may already have met, and they are here to help people navigate through the process even after treatment. So nurse navigators are integral in helping people kind of make sense of all their treatment options and help make appointments and whatnot. So they're really critical, and you probably already have met at least one. We have a nutritionist here who can help with dietary issues around weight loss or weight gain, and we recommend people definitely have a visit with her as well. Genetic counseling services are available in case you have concerns or questions. You may have already had this in terms of your initial treatment, and there are also services available if you have ongoing questions. There's behavioral medicine, which is myself, and helping people cope, learning coping skills and emotional support. And finding ways to manage the emotional energy that comes up as normal. Social work has a variety of roles here, managing emotional and practical issues, education, counseling, resource management, getting people to the resources in the community that they need around financial concerns or work-related issues. Paperwork challenges. So please feel free to talk with our social worker if you haven't already. We do have a caregiver support group for family members of patients, and that is for both people in the active treatment as well as people who are in survivorship. You have to call and ask about that because doesn't happen every week, every month, but it is available. And if we have enough people who are interested, we can certainly set up another session. We have a program called Parenting at a Challenging Time, which is available to help parents learn how to talk with their kids or grandkids about their diagnosis and treatment and what lays ahead. And so that is available on a referral basis as well. Reiki and massage are available here in the Cancer Center itself on Tuesday 10 to 2 and Thursday 10 to 2. And then the first 30 minutes is free, so come and give it a try. Again, this is helpful for depression and anxiety as well as overall body health. Look Good, Feel Better is a program put on by the American Cancer Society, which can go over beauty tips and ways to make yourself feel more healthy and less sickly, if that's something that you're concerned about. And they have lots of tips and techniques for helping people feel and look better. Strength in Motion is a physical therapy consult that can be done here at the Cancer Center, and then follow-up would be done at the Wells Avenue facility where our outpatient center is, and also at the Shipley Fitness Center here on campus for strength training and that sort of thing. We also have a trained physiatrist from Spalding Rehabilitation Hospital who comes and works with people around nerve, muscle, and bone problems, around functioning and rehabilitation. We have palliative care and pain management, a physician and nurse practitioner trained to diagnose and treat overall pain and symptom management, as well as quality of life interventions and goals of care conversations. So please ask for consults with those. We do have access to the spiritual care program here, not only in the hospital. There's an interfaith chapel on the second floor of the hospital. There's a meditation session there every day, Monday through Friday. And there are also hospital chaplains available for outpatient if that is something that you would like to talk to. We also can help you find counselors, psychiatrists, and also support groups in the community. One technique is to go online and put in whatever your disease is and then say support group, like sort of lymphoma support group, for example, and you'll get a bunch of listings in your area. Facing Cancer Together is a program that offers a lot of different outpatient services, and they're located in the Brighton section of Boston. The Healing Garden, located in Harvard, Mass., has a variety of coping programs for people in survivorship, and we highly recommend their program. Also, there's also miscellaneous things that you may have heard about while you were in treatment here in terms of using the valet and getting parking vouchers. And we have other less cancer treatment related things here as well. Then so if you have any questions about any of those providers, 617 831-7430 is the number to call to get set up with any of those programs. There are also online supports, and online supports are great or they're horrible, and that it's really hard to tell the difference. So what we try to do is think about the internet as being a good place to get the right questions rather than the right answers. So what we do, though, is I'd like to show you some websites that we think are probably going to give you the best kind of information. So one is just the ones put on by the National Cancer Institute, the American Cancer Society, the American Society for Clinical Oncology, the Cancer Support Community, and others. And they oftentimes will have a lot of very targeted and useful resources, both in general and then also within your community. These are things that are put on by the National Comprehensive Cancer Network. You'll probably have to pause the video to kind of really see what they are. They go over a variety of things from general information. There are helplines. There are survivorship guides, care planning, other things about integrative therapies, which we talked about in earlier episodes, legal and employment issues. There's information there, as well as physical activity, nutrition, weight management, cardiac, dental, smoking cessation, a variety of things. So these are all well curated and information that can be very useful, but obviously there's more than you probably need on any given day, but just know that it's available for you if you need it. Thank you very much for tuning in, and we appreciate your time and attention.